on the run with you.
Is it playing? Oh, it is playing. Hi guys, time check 5:08 a.m. and we are now heading sa Pier 1. But first, we have to drop off our car.
Wala tayo memorize din. Kumaga. Oh, na pa man. Paon niya, wala na.
So we are now here at Pier 3 and we are just waiting for the time. Okay, 7:30 ang amo ang arka. Nagandaghan sa lutaw. Grabe, na guys. It's 7:19. Murag na dari among barko pero wala pa na nawag. I'm so sleepy. We just came from our 8-hour shift. So yeah. So this is how business looks like. Yawa eh. Yawa eh. Salamat sa tripod TNW. And departure time is 7:30 but we waited for 30 minutes before we really took off. So I think we are near na. I can see Chocolate Hills.
Di ba iniwan mo ako palagi? Muna ko na pre. Ang ganda mo yun. Hindi ko ako. Okay na yan.
Siman daw. Yeah, tali. Okay, dugay pa kayo siya. 1 hour 30 minutes. Unya, kay nigulit na mo. Magduol na lang ito na may mo.
Oo, naglaro na mo rin. Naglaro na mo.
Sige, sige, rai. Ali. So, mga apela man ka. Kuan day yung travel. We're finally here after 2.5 hours, guys. We arrived na sa among hotel. Ano ito?
Yes, ma'am.
Pero niya pa man yata. Available na ba ka? 3 p.m. pa man yata yung check-in, no?
Ma'am, okay na po ba sa third floor kayo, ma'am? Check-out time po namin, 12 noon sa last day. If madalis din po kayo, 200 pesos per hour.
Inig ko na ta magligo. Yan ka nag last day morning. Muna akong nasa plano. Thank you. Ding up.
Buo no.
So this is their mini couch, and I love it because we have a table and a chair there, so definitely we can work here. This is our bed, and then our cute little TV, the mirror. We have a mini fridge right here. Beside this is a trash can, and then makakapi, as ani. And then here comes the restroom. I'm so haggard, I know. Oh, they have a hair dryer right here, tissue, and they have a bidet, which is very important. They also have a water heater, which we love. Yeah, I think that is it. We have hangers right here. Of course, split type aircon. This is how it looks like. And we love the vibe because dili kayo siya hayag, like chill vibe. Are we going to Guys, we finally arrived at our hotel. We arrived, maybe that was around 1 p.m. So we left the house at 5:40 a.m. We arrived at the pier at 58, and then na-realize na mo nga wrong pier me because we went to pier 1 and supposedly we should be at pier 3. So yeah, that's the first bummer. That's the first bummer. So we went to Pier 3. We ate there. Pag 7:30, nasakay namin sa barko. Supposed departure time is 7:30 a.m. but we left at 8 a.m. And it took us 2 hours to arrive at Tubigon Port, Bohol. And then when we arrived at Tubigon Port, we realized na sayop mi og port nga giadtuan. It's supposed to be Tagbilaran, not Tubigon. And because we're at Tubigon, we had to ride murag trike to sila no? Murag trike siya. Abot mi sa among hotel at 1 p.m. 2 hours kapin kay medyo na pa may mga kuan kay we tried pa nga basin makahatag og transpo ang among hotel. But when I messaged them, it would take them mga almost 2 hours po for sila maabot sa port. And it costs 2,800 for them to go there, and then going back pa another 2,800. It's very expensive. Una may ni-offer nga mohatod na mo sa Panglao sa amuhang hotel for 2,000. Grab na mo siya. It took us 2 hours kapin para maabot mi sa mong hotel. So we are really tired. And the agenda for today is to go to Hinagdanan Cave, try Panglao Cartways, and then mag lunch me, of course. And plan na mo is mubalik sa among hotel, sleep for like an hour or 2, and then mag sunset me sa Alona Beach. That's the plan. Nag-relax lang sa mi kadiyot kay kapoy kayo. Although natugra mo ko sa biyahe. Gikan sa Tubigon Port to here, sira og katulog. Shush. Grabe kay ang kuno ka ng uyog-uyog ba? Sa trike, no, murag masakit gud akong tiyan. Magsige tuk 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 tuk. Nagkusog og padagan. Kusog na ganitong padagan ang driver ha. Pero naabot pagyapon mi kuan. Grabe. Gonna go to Hinagdanan Cave and Panglao Cartways, and we'll also eat. Dito ang daan. We are here at Panglao Cartways.
For 480, so try mo dyan yan.
Overcoats po, medium size, large, na extra. Hindi mo kayo wala. Iwan mo lang yan. Kasi
Ay,
mahirap
pwede?
kasi, mahirap kasi ikaw mag-isa. Hindi ka makakontrol kasi hard steering po yan.
Di ka daw kamera.
Di,
O okay ra unta daw tog twin para ang usa kay kuan. Mo'y mo kupot sa kamera. Ang ganyan di ba nga bawal magtag kamera. Kay unless twin daw mong kuan, mag-twin na lang siguro mi. So, instead of single part, we will do the twin part. Because we can't bring the camera. Kuya, twin cart na lang.
upgrade niyo, ma'am.
Twin cart na lang.
So, good afternoon, sir, ma'am. Welcome to the Panglao Cartways.
Saka pa siguro ma'am.
Wala mo yung ani. Anak, di na ako magkupot. So we're done guys. We're going to find a place to eat. Kaya we're starving. It's already 3:23 and we haven't eaten. Hi guys. We are back at the hotel. We are gonna go sleep na. Pam pam.